Hi everyone. Today I'm here to tell you about how to set up and use a version control system for software development. For those who don't know, version control systems, VCS, store changes to files and track each different version of the file so you can always go back and view what the file used to look like at any given time. To get started, you'll need to have some type of software installed on your computer known as a version control system. Popular ones include Git and Subversion. Once you have the software installed, you're ready to get started. The first step to setting up and using a version control system is to create a repository. This is just like a collection of files, and it's the main organizational structure for tracking different versions of the files. You can create a repository on your own computer or use an online service such as GitHub or Bitbucket. The next step is to start adding your files. This is known as committing the files to the repository. You can do this through the version control system software you installed, or you can do it manually if you're using a service like GitHub or Bitbucket. Once you've committed your files to the repository, you can start using the version control system to track different versions of files. You can do this by creating branches, which are like separate versions of your repository. Each branch can be used for different purposes, such as working on new features, bug fixes, or anything else you might need. Finally, when you're ready to deploy the changes you've made, you can use the version control system to merge the branches back together so that all of the changes are present. This ensures that everyone has the same version of the files and makes the process of developing software much more efficient. Overall, using a version control system for software development is a great way to keep track of your project and easily collaborate with others. I hope this video has helped you understand how to set up and use a version control system for software development. If you have any questions or need help getting started with your version control system, please let me know. Thanks for watching and happy coding!